Now, not everybody prefers high pressure, but over here at MP Systems, they absolutely manufacture and prefer. And that's exactly why I'm hanging out with Emma from MP Systems. First and foremost, how are you doing on this beautiful open house event?
Doing great. Awesome turnout so far.
Exactly. Hey, and speaking of awesome, there's some really cool things happening at MP Systems. New innovative products, expansion of the team. I need to know everything.
Yeah, so we're developing a lot of awesome new systems, such as new solutions to smaller tanks, high pressure coolant systems, and also some mist collection filtration systems as well. We're expanding our team to allow more salespeople out in the field, which is awesome, so we don't have to base everything out of Connecticut. That way we'll have people, closer on site that can deal, more closely with salespeople in their territories and visit more customers too.
Makes complete sense, because this industry was built on many things, and supporting one another is for sure one of those.
Definitely.
And when we're talking about support, obviously we love our sole efforts, but we cannot do this alone, nor were we ever meant to do this alone. So I understand that MP Systems is working with Morris Group specifically to do lots of cool things in the market. What does that relationship look like in your perspective?
Yeah, so we work really closely with Morris, both their salespeople and their engineering service techs, in order to have them install our products to an expert level. So we make sure that everything is tailored to customers' needs, whether that's high pressure, filtration, mist collection, make sure that the customer's needs are solved no matter what their problem is.
There we go. Just another way that we're bringing synergy to the manufacturing world. Emma, thank you so much here from MP Systems, everyone. This is Eddie from MTDCNC. Hey, we'll see you next time.